I'm Justin Nichols. I'm the founder of Sift Healthcare. We're a predictive analytics company for healthcare billing companies and healthcare providers. So administrative burden within healthcare is there's a tremendous amount of waste. There's about 20% of all costs associated with healthcare is attributed to administrative burden. So it's helping automate as much of the collections and billing process with limited human capital intervention, and then ultimately providing more flexible payment strategies for those patients, giving them more ways to pay their bills, longer payment terms, things like that. Basically, we use historical billing data, and so it's not that we would have had to seen a patient like you before to identify somebody like you, it's a look-alike. And so in millions and millions of bills, you can typically find another patient who at surface level may not look like you, but by leveraging data science, you can start to build look-alike models and cluster models that identify similar patient populations that behave the same, so then you can start making repeatable payment recommendations. We operate under the thesis that the majority of patients want to pay their bill as long as they understand it. And so by being able to give them flexible payment strategies, you're giving them more terms that they understand and are able to pay their bills on. And so instead of needing to pay the full bill of $1,000, they may come to you and say, we'll give you a 10-month payment plan of $100 a month. And so right now it's very difficult at scale for providers and billing companies to identify patient B versus patient A and what kind of payment plan A needs versus B, and we help them identify and tailor those payment strategies. My best piece of advice for an up-and-coming young innovator is just to continue to ask questions. I didn't have healthcare background when I started Sift, and so I really spotted an opportunity and just continued to ask questions. And you'd be really tremendously surprised at how receptive people are when you send them a tailored LinkedIn message or really try to figure out how you can best communicate with them and ask them questions, and how receptive they'll be to answering your questions. And so it's really about continuing to peel back that onion and ask more questions and try to figure out why your idea may or may not work.